How to enable dark mode on Twitch. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Twitch. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Twitch app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on Steam Manager. And here, once you see the interface like this, again tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Settings. And now here, once you are in your settings section, simply tap on the option labeled as Preferences. And now here you can see the option labeled as App Theme. And right under that option you can see the option labeled as System Default. So simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Dark. And once you tap on it, the dark mode will be turned on. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.